the other side of this is now getting to this part of COVID, we look back and go, I think John Rich nailed it. Now, on this program, we had to be very careful from being canceled, but our point and Flashpoint's point during all of that is the government should not be telling you you must get a vaccine. If you decide to get a vaccine on your own, that's great. That's your decision. But when you start mandating and telling people in order to keep your job, in order to stay in the military, you must get a vaccine, that's where we drew the line. And that's part of our rights and our freedoms here in America. But the other side of this is now getting to this part of COVID, we look back and go, I think John Rich nailed it. Everybody that I talk to feels the exact same way as he described. They feel lied to. They don't trust. I remember when we used to think, oh, the CDC said it, so it must be there. You know, those guys investigate everything. That's not true anymore. The landscape with the American people and trust with the medical community has been absolutely devastated to the core.
It's true, and it's because of the COVID vaccines. So that here's an area where Trump is not reading the populace very well. When I do big public programs, thousands of people, 85% raise their hand when I ask them if they know somebody who's been injured, disabled, or died after COVID-19 vaccines. Now we see a widespread distrust of the routine childhood schedule and measles taking off. So this is really backfiring. They need to very quickly get the COVID-19 vaccines off the market and get trust restored.